Most people believe that working harder is the key to becoming rich. They wake up early, work long hours, sacrifice their time, and still struggle financially year after year. Meanwhile, there are people who don't seem to work nearly as hard, yet their wealth keeps growing almost automatically. The difference isn't luck alone, and it's not always intelligence either. The truth is that wealth follows a different set of rules. Rules most people were never taught. And the scary part is, even if you're doing many things right, a single mistake in your financial mindset can quietly destroy your future without you realizing it. One of the biggest differences between ordinary workers and wealthy people is understanding how money actually works. Most workers survive on income. They trade their time for a paycheck, and taxes are taken before they even touch their money. Wealthy people operate differently. Instead of relying only on salaries, they focus on owning assets. Businesses, stocks, real estate, or investments that grow over time. These assets increase in value while continuing to generate opportunities and cash flow. The wealthy don't just work for money, they build systems and ownership that make money work for them. Another powerful advantage many people underestimate is time. Young people often think they are poor because they don't have much money, but what they actually possess is something far more valuable: years. Time is the force behind compounding. Small investments started early can grow into life-changing amounts later. The same applies to skills, knowledge, reputation, and relationships. Everything compounds when given enough time. The danger is not failing, the danger is waiting too long to start. Hard work alone is also not enough if you're moving in the wrong direction. Many people spend years grinding in industries that are slowly dying, while others build wealth simply because they position themselves inside growing industries. Timing matters. Environment matters. The wave matters. An average person in a rapidly growing industry can outperform an extremely talented person stuck in a declining one. Before asking how hard you should work, ask whether the direction you're moving in actually has a future. Another common mistake is blindly following passion. People constantly hear the phrase, "follow your passion," but passion alone rarely creates financial security. Most successful people became passionate after becoming skilled and valuable. Instead of chasing passion first, focus on your natural strengths and talents. Find what you can do exceptionally well, master it, and build value around it. Passion often grows from competence, not the other way around. Focus is another major factor behind wealth. Most people spread themselves too thin, trying multiple side hustles, businesses, projects, and distractions all at once. Their energy becomes fragmented, and nothing grows properly. Wealth usually rewards deep focus. The people who become exceptional often spend years mastering one valuable skill or industry before expanding further. Your time should be focused, but your money should be diversified. Concentrating all your investments into one risky opportunity can destroy years of progress overnight. Many people also fall into the trap of day trading, believing they can beat the market quickly. In reality, most day traders lose money over time. Large institutions have teams of experts, algorithms, and technology designed specifically to outperform ordinary investors. The smarter long-term strategy is often far simpler. Invest consistently into diversified index funds, allow compounding to work, and avoid emotional decision-making. Building wealth also requires accepting temporary imbalance. During the early stages of life, especially in your 20s and 30s, there will often be periods where work dominates your schedule. This isn't necessarily failure, it's the building phase. Many people want perfect balance immediately, but the reality is that future freedom is often created through years of invisible effort and discipline. The people who sacrifice strategically early in life often gain more options later. Difficult times can also create the greatest opportunities. Economic downturns, market crashes, and uncertainty often scare people away from investing or building businesses. Yet historically, many successful companies and fortunes were built during periods of fear and instability. Hard times force people to adapt, improve, and become stronger. While most people wait for the perfect moment, wealth is often built by those willing to move when others hesitate. Your 20s should also be viewed as a period of, if you learned something valuable from this video, subscribe now, because understanding money might be the most important skill nobody ever taught you.